Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a video with Adobe Spark, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Spark and sign in to your account. Click on the Create a Project button. Select the type of project you want to create, such as a video. Choose a video template or start from scratch. Give your project a name in the provided text box. Click on Start Editing to enter the video editor. On the left side, you'll see options to add text, photos, icons, and video clips. To add media, click on the plus button. You can choose to upload your own videos or images, or use Adobe Spark's free resources. Once you upload your media, drag and drop it onto the timeline. You can adjust the length of each clip by clicking and dragging the edges. To add text overlays, click on the text option in the menu. Type your desired text and customize the font, color, and size. You can also add music by selecting the music option. Browse through the available tracks or upload your own background music. To set the timing of your video, click on the timeline option. Adjust the duration of each scene to synchronize with the music. When you're satisfied with your edits, click on the preview button. Watch your video to ensure everything flows correctly. If adjustments are needed, go back and edit as necessary. Once you're happy with your video, click the download button to save it. Choose your desired quality and format before downloading. You can also share your video directly to social media platforms from Adobe Spark. Congratulations, you've now created a video using Adobe Spark. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.